Assalamu alaikum students. So today we will discuss some MCQs regarding the clinicals of the clavicle. Now the usually the MCQs they come in the form of clinical scenarios, and it is very important to recognize what is being asked in the scenario. Related to the clavicular fracture, we can ask, the examiner can ask anything. Like, first of all, we will read this scenario and then we will talk about it. A young man presented in emergency with history of roadside accident, supporting the right elbow with left hand. So, first of all, the roadside accident, history of roadside accident, and then he is supporting his right elbow with the left hand. Now he's supporting his right arm or the elbow with his left hand. Now he was giving history of pain in right shoulder with movement of right arm, and on physical examination he was having swelling and tenderness in the area of shoulder. On X-ray examination he was found to have fracture of the shaft of the clavicle. Now it is evident, it has been told in this MCQ that there is fracture of the shaft of the clavicle. The medial segment was pulled upward and the lateral fragment of the bone was directed downwards. Now this usually occurs in the fracture of the clavicle. The acromioclavicular joint is not dislocated. So the factor which prevents the dislocation of the acromioclavicular joint is the pull off. Now what is being asked in this MCQ, there is a fracture of clavicle but the acromioclavicular joint is not dislocated. So the examiner is asking about the factor which is responsible, which prevents the dislocation of the acromioclavicular joint. Now it can be the pull of sternocleidomastoid muscle, pull of trapezius muscle, pull of trochoclavicular ligament, pectoralis major muscle, or the acromioclavicular ligament. So the trochoclavicular ligament is the strong ligament which prevents the dislocation of the acromioclavicular joint in case of fracture of the clavicle. The second question again, there is a fracture of clavicle. The same scenario, young man presented in emergency with history of roadside accident, supporting the right elbow with the left hand. He was giving history of pain in the right shoulder with the movement of right arm, and on physical examination he was having swelling and tenderness in the area of shoulder, right shoulder. Now on X-ray examination he was found to have fracture of the shaft of clavicle. Now the question is about, so when reading a clinical scenario based MCQ, you have to find out what the examiner is actually asking about. So the question is about the fracture of the shaft of clavicle, and the medial segment was pulled up and the lateral fragment of the bone was directed downwards. Now the examiner want to ask about the medial segment, why it was pulled up. It was pulled up due to action of the sternocleidomastoid muscle, trapezius muscle, pectoralis major muscle, deltoid muscle, and subclavius. So sternocleidomastoid muscle is attached to the medial part of the clavicle, so it pulls this segment upwards. So sternocleidomastoid is the answer. Next question again, a young man presented in emergency with history of roadside accident, supporting his right elbow with the left hand. So whenever there is a fracture of clavicle, the patient has to support his arm in order to, if he didn't support his arm, then the arm will be hanging down and the pain will be aggravating. So in order to reduce the pain, he will hold his arm with the other hand. So he was giving history of pain in right shoulder. He will be saying that there is a pain in my shoulder here with movement and I'm unable to move it without pain. on physical examination, he was having swelling and tenderness in the area of shoulder, and on X-ray examination, he was found to have fracture of the shaft of clavicle. Now, again, there is a fracture of shaft of clavicle, but the question asked is the most probably the fracture line will pass through the. Now, the fracture line will be passing through the most weakest point. So, in this question, the weakest point of the clavicle is being asked. So, is it the medial end of the clavicle, or the lateral end of the clavicle, or midpoint of the clavicle, or the junction of the medial 2/3 and the lateral 1/3, or the junction of the lateral 2/3 with the medial third. So it is the junction of the medial 2/3 with the lateral 1/3.